Now we're going to take a look at 11.1, number 19. As of Betty Lou's 56th birthday, she has accumulated $195,000 in her RRSP. She has ceased contributions, but will allow the RRSP to grow at an expected 5.4% compounded monthly until she reaches age 65. Then she will use the funds to purchase a 20-year annuity. What will her end of month payments be if the money used to purchase the annuity earns 4.2% compounded monthly? Question might seem a bit daunting at first because it's asking us two different things. So let's break it down and go back to the first thing. So as of her 56th birthday, she has $195,000 already in her RRSP. She's not contributing any more, but she's going to let the money stay there and grow at 5.4% compounded monthly until she reaches age 65. At that point in time, she's going to use those funds to purchase an annuity. So first thing we need to find is what is the future value of that amount. So the present value, she has $195,000 right now. There's no more payments, so payments are zero. It's going to grow at 5.4%, so interest per year, 5.4, compounded monthly, so our CY, and in this case, because there's no more payments, the CY and PY are going to be equal the same, F12 for monthly, until she reaches age 65, so that's going to be 9 years of monthly compounding. So let's go to the solution. So the first thing is the 5.4%, PY and CY equal 12. It was the 9 years at 12 monthly. So 108 is our N. The amount that she had already accumulated was $195,000, so that's our present value. No more payments were being made. So at the end of that 9-year period, when she is 65, she will have $316,685.55 in her RRSP. Then she's going to use that money to purchase an annuity. So the information on the annuity. She'll use the funds to purchase a 20-year annuity. So we know N is going to be 20 times something. What will her end of month annuity payments, so end of month payments, so it's monthly, so payments per year is 12. If the money used to purchase the annuity earns 4.2%, so our interest per year, 4.2, compounded monthly, so our compoundings are 12 per year also. So we can go back to our solution. So payment per year and compounding per year was 12, and that's what it was up here, so we can leave that the same. The interest rate has changed to 4.2. The number of payments was 20 years times 12 because it was monthly, so 240. The present value is what we calculated here. She's going to use these funds to purchase the annuity. Future value 0, and annuity is just a series of payments, so we're calculating the payment. So basically it's kind of asking you two questions in one. It's asking you here to calculate the future value so we can determine how much money she's going to have to buy the annuity here. So this is something that we would have looked at in Chapter 10. We would have calculated future values and present values. And then in Chapter 11, we're learning that we can also calculate payment and the other variables. So that's how much you would receive at the end of every month for 20 years if the scenario plays out as in the book.